I'm Pastor Tim McKinnon from Calvary Baptist Community Church, and we have this exciting thing called Serve happening this week. And as you can see, it's in full bloom starting today. Thankful for these groups of teenagers. They're between the ages of 12 and 19. So this is at our church. We are holding a day camp. And at the same time, there's some construction going on in our church. There's about 21 groups in total from Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, BC, and Yellowknife that are all through the city working with seniors, children, helping people with yard work.
Today we had 25 students, so we had them pull out a bunch of shrubs, do some yard work, and some of them worked inside. I would really like to thank the people that put this together.
We're just very blessed to be able to host Serve this year. We're just thankful for all the community groups that are partnering with us this week. Many hands in this, and we're very thankful for all of our partner groups that are joining us in this project.